Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I got this eyeshadow and hair together. So I'm starting off with the Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette, and I'm using the shade 1 all over my lid. And I'm just blending this out as the base color. And then shortly I'll be going in with the color 3. So the color 1 is more like a neutral brown, and then 3 is a little bit of a deeper brown. So I'm going in with 3 with a denser eyeshadow brush. Previously, I used a big fluffy blending brush to blend out the shade 1. So I'm just making sure I'm getting this color all throughout my crease. And now I'm going in with the shade 11 and packing that on with a looser blending brush. And I'm trying not to go past my crease line. So I just want this color very concentrated in this area. So now I'm taking the tip of this brush and I'm blending out the crease area. Now I'm taking a denser brush and just mixing all of those shades together. And now I'm going back with a packing shadow brush to get some more intensity in that shade 11. So now we are just kind of going back and blending out the color, and I think I'm going back and forth between the shades 3 and 11. So you want to make sure your eyeshadow isn't just on your lid, right? So you have to use different brushes to blend out the colors together and blend it in. So now I'm using a pointed blending brush, and I'm trying to create a cat eye shape, right? So I want to really carve out the shape of my lid. So I am going back in with the color 3. Now I'm going back in with the deeper color and just blending everything out together. And then lastly, I'm going in with the first brush that I used, the blending brush, the big fluffy one, to really get everything blended out, okay? So now I'm going in with the color Raine Queen of Hearts palette, and I'm using the shade Noble all over my lid. So I'm going back with that shadow brush, and it's allowing me to get a lot of color payoff. It's intensifying the color. So I'm using Noble Woman, and then I'm going in with Dethrone. It has a bit of a shimmer to it, and it's a little darker than the shade 11 from the Coffee Shop palette. And now I'm going in my inner tear duct area, and I'm using the shade Crown. Just adding some brightness, and look at that. Just all coming together seamlessly. So now I'm using the Kosas brow pencil, and this is an angled brow pencil, so I'm really able to, get in the fine nicks and crannies of my brow. See, I'm just filling in the areas that need to be shaded, and I'm giving some shape to my brow. Now to finish off this look, I'm using Lilly lashes in Miami. These are some of my favorite lashes. They're so pretty. And now we're just getting into the hair. I love a deep wave. I'm using my large crimping iron and just putting deep waves all throughout my hair. So now the hair is all done. I did take a little spritz and mold the front area of my hair. So now I'm going to be going in with my highlighter. I'm using Soft and Gentle by MAC and getting all of the high points of my face. And now I moved on to blush. This blush that I'm using is called Cheeky Rose by MAC, as you can see here. So yeah, I really love how this look came out, but I needed to use some lip gloss. This is by NYX. I forgot the name, but I'll list it below. And now I'm just deepening my beauty marks with this MAC liquid liner. This liner does not run, okay? It's my favorite for beauty marks. Now I'm just taking my favorite perfume by Nest. I love this perfume. And yeah, the look is done. So hair, eyeshadow, let me know if you guys like this look and I'll stay tuned for more.